This is a step-by-step guide to navigating and placing orders via the OneSearch Order platform. You can access the ordering platform by visiting our website onesearch.direct and clicking Log into Dashboard in the top right-hand corner. Your login details will have been issued to you, and your password can be changed once you're logged in. Once in, you'll be presented with your own unique dashboard. This is your access hub to ordering searches, bundles, as well as checking on existing and previous orders. Your dashboard is divided into 3 sections. At the top, order shortcuts. In the middle, 3 main categories for ordering. And underneath, your order bundle area. Let's look at each section in more detail. Firstly, your order shortcuts. Here you can quickly access current and previous orders, as well as previously saved drafts. The numbers displayed within the shortcuts change in real time, so you can keep on top of current orders without leaving the dashboard. Orders saved as draft can be continued or deleted, and any add-ons can be included to orders in progress. Underneath those, you can find your 3 main categories for ordering. Compliance products, consisting of anti-money laundering checks, identification checks, and lawyer checker services. Videos on how to order these can be found elsewhere on this channel. Search products are the main ordering point for either your residential or commercial requirements. And indemnity policies for a range of insurance products, including no search insurance, chance of repair insurance, and many more. The third area of your dashboard is for your own bundles. These are a preset selection of products grouped together at a prearranged cost, and these can be set up by your account manager. Hover over the Order Now button with your cursor to display which products are included in each bundle. Let's now place a residential order. Starting with the dashboard, click Residential Searches. Enter your references for the order, and for this example we'll use Test. Enter your postcode and then select the address from the drop-down list on the right-hand side. If your property is a new build, the address or the plot details will need to be completed manually. A boundary plan is required for the residential search. Your options here are to upload a suitable plan yourself, draw a plan using our mapping tool, or you can add a land registry plan. An email address is also provided should you wish to send your plans that way. Selecting to draw your plan will bring up our advanced mapping tool. A suggested property boundary will generate automatically, which you can then alter or remove to create your own boundary. When you're ready, you can click Finished Drawing. The next stage is the product selection page. At the very top you'll see Search Advisor. This integrated tool identifies potential hazards that may impact a property, and it also recommends products to address these hazards. Click Add all recommended products to include these items. Alternatively, select from a preset bundle. A video on how to order additional products is also available on this channel. Click on any product on this page to find out additional information or to download a sample report. If any product in your order is incomplete or requires additional information, they will be highlighted yellow when that item is open, or red if you've returned to the main product page. You'll not be able to place your order until you have completed these sections. Once you're happy with your order, you can either save the order as a draft, generate a quote, or click Place Order. Double check to make sure that you're satisfied with everything on this page, and then click Place Order. Let's now order an indemnity policy. These can be ordered as an add-on or as part of a brand new order. Click Order Insurance and Indemnity Policies. As before, fill in the reference details and populate the address field and then confirm the address. Click on Get a Quote under Indemnity Policies for either CLS or Stewart Title. This will take you to a list of products. Select the policy from the drop-down list, or alternatively start typing the name to reduce the available options. You can also select from our most popular products. You can select up to 5 policies in any one single order. When ready, click Confirm Assumptions and then click Add to Order. Double check to make sure that you're satisfied with everything on this page and then click Place Order. As mentioned earlier, you can check the status of existing and previous orders back on the dashboard. For any additional questions or queries you may have about the order process, please contact your account manager. Alternatively, you can email info@onesearch.direct.co.uk.